If I'm being honest, Quartz watches probably make way more sense for most people. They're more accurate, more affordable, lower maintenance, more practical, and honestly, modern Quartz watches can do things that mechanical watches can't even dream about unless you're, going to that thousands and thousands of dollars area. So then why are so many of us obsessed with mechanical watches? Today, we're diving into Quartz versus mechanical watches, and we're going to figure it all out on what actually makes more sense. I'm your boy Slickbits, and you're tuned in to Dive Time Watch Reviews. Thanks for tuning into the channel, guys. If you love watch content, getting underwater, and all the fun stuff we do around here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Let's move forward. So, for newer watch enthusiasts, let's quickly explain the difference. Quartz watches run off a battery and a quartz crystal oscillator. Mechanical watches run off springs, gears, and movement created by hand winding or the motion of your wrist. One is a tiny computer, and the other is basically a toy engine. Let's be brutally honest here. Quartz absolutely dominates when it comes to practicality. Quartz watches are more accurate, more affordable, lower maintenance, and incredibly reliable. The Addiesdive right here, grab and go reliability, affordable, Quartz precision, and it's beach ready all day long. But this is where Quartz gets really interesting. Quartz gives customers way more functionality at a lower price point. So the Timex Expedition North Tide-Temp-Compass, this watch has tide tracking, a thermometer, compass functionality, Quartz reliability. With all of this comes a price point normal people can actually afford. And then you get into chronographs. Mechanical chronographs can get very expensive very quickly. Quartz lets people enjoy complications without taking out a second mortgage. If your goal is pure functionality per dollar, Quartz is incredibly hard to beat. Quartz wins with the brain. But then there's the mechanical side. Because watches stopped being about need a long time ago. Mechanical watches make us feel something. A mechanical watch is a tiny machine. It's got springs, gears, rotors, tiny moving parts with all working together right on your wrist. No battery, just engineering. When I put on something like this Christopher Ward, it just feels alive. There's connection there. And then you've got pieces like this. Micro brands with personality, story, passion, character. Mechanical watches don't really win the practical battle anymore, but they absolutely win the emotional one.
Here's where this gets really interesting from an actual diver perspective. Modern dive computers have replaced dive watches for actual dive calculations. That's reality. Dive computers are safer, more advanced, more functional. And guess what? Dive computers are quartz-based systems. So, technically, Quartz already won the underwater war. And yet, people still love mechanical dive watches. Nobody needs a mechanical dive watch in 2026, and somehow that almost makes us love them more.
And let's be honest, James Bond proved a long time ago that dive watches work with absolutely anything. The man wore dive watches with tuxedos, and he always got the girl. Dive watches aren't just tools anymore, they're part of a style, adventure, identity, for fun. So which one actually makes more sense? Honestly, Quartz probably wins the practical battle, but mechanical watches, they win the emotional one. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter if your watch is powered by a battery or by springs. If it makes you happy, then that's the right one for you. I'm Slickbits, and I thank you for joining me right here on Dive Time Watch Reviews, and I'll see you on the very next dive.